Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. So today I came with new topic that is recursive function as we are studying function, right? We are going ahead with function topic. So we are trying to cover every function of it. So today I decided to cover recursive function. So shall we start? Okay, let's start. So recursive function is nothing but when the function call itself, then we called it as recursive function. Okay, this is what I wrote over here already. After that, let's see how recursive function work. Okay, when we are saying when means like when the function call itself, then we called it as recursive function. Means like over here we created one function that is printing function over here, and we have simply passed one statement in that this is what we are printing, and we have said to means printed that statement over there. Okay, let's execute it, and here we are calling it like here we have wrote that function name and parenthesis. This is how we call a function. So we are calling it, that's why we are saying it as recursive function. After that, we will see one example right now. See what I did without using any function. I have just used for loop over here and tried to calculate factorial. So you can able to differentiate how function work, and we will see means for factorial how we can go with function also likewise. So see, here we will go with general, like with just I'm using for loop, like see, we have to calculate factorial of 6. Then we are saying fact equals to 1. It is by default we are saying, because whenever the first number like 1, if you gonna calculate the factorial of 1, then it should be 1. That's why we are giving here 1. And after that, for I in range 1 comma num plus 1. Num means this 6 over here plus 1. Then fact equals to fact into I. After that, printing that fact. Here fact is nothing but factorial. So see, sixth factorial of 6 is nothing but 720. And after that, how with recursive function we can find it and calculate it, we will see. Like I have created function, the name is factorial. In that parenthesis, I am passing num, so you can pass any value at the time of calling it. After that, we have passed colon. I'm simply saying if num equals to 1, return 1 means fact. If you are calculating the factorial of 1, simply return 1. Else what it have to return, that particular any number means whichever number you are passing multiply by factorial of num minus 1, means that value minus 1 till it goes towards that one. Okay, this is how we will execute it, and we can see factorial of 6. So if you want to see another values factorial, I will show you. See, the factorial of 7 is 5040, and see, this is basic, like you have learned in your college life, schooling life. So how we calculate factorial, I will show you in this one line. Like whenever we are calculating factorial of something, we have to multiply that value till 1 in reverse order, like 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, and whichever value it will gives us, it is nothing but factorial of that. So see, we will calculate it likewise. Okay, so should I take lower number, so it will be easy for us, right? And you may calculate it and tell me, are you getting the actual number? So see, 3 2s are 6, right? We will write over here 6 into 1 equals to 6 ones are 6. So factorial of 3 is nothing but 6. So see, we will see. This is how factorial work. and today I have explained how recursive function work, like why we called it recursive function. Hope you understood, and keep learning Python with Priyanka. Let's upgrade your knowledge with me, and let's try to means getting more in this era, like try to understand multiple of things day by day. But still we are having one topic left in this function. We will try to cover it in next video. Till the time, keep learning, keep upgrading yourself, and do not stop anywhere. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. Hit like if you like this video, share with your friends, and if you are not subscribed it, subscribe it. Stay tuned. Bye. See you later. Thank you. Thank you.